All right, guys, we got Eric in the chair. And for today's look, we're gonna actually maintain this actual look. So if we look through the back, we have a very flat shape. This is gonna be a fully layered haircut, and it's just gonna be a tidy up. Right now, we're seeing a lot of this weight through the bottom. I wanna lift this a little bit and have more flow and texture above the occipital, but the biggest issue is just cleaning up the sides and top. Right now, it's sitting quite heavy and quite flat. I wanna bring out some of the texture. I wanna bring and reduce the weight through the sides. So this is gonna be a tidy up. The line's gonna be slightly higher. It's gonna be a mid-length layered haircut. So this is a very important haircut for you guys to understand how to do, because this could be almost over $100 service if you do it in the right way and you have clients like this that come in. So let me show you how to do a salon-friendly mid-layer haircut. Okay guys, first step, bring everything towards the back, just like this. Then from the front. Whoa, hold up, pause right there. I know you're into this tutorial and you've probably been taking notes, studying the sectioning, watching the fade placement, but let me ask you something. If you've already watched these tutorials and you've been watching my content and trying to level up, why not just go all in? I've built something for barbers just like you. It's called the Essentials Program. It's a private community packed with weekly coaching calls, advanced tutorials, support from elite barbers, and constant accountability. And get this, it's $80 a month. That's one haircut, two at most. You probably spent more last week on Uber Eats anyways. This is for barbers who are done with staying stuck, who want to improve their fades, their sectioning, their scissor work, their styling, and even how to post content to book clients. And I'm gonna keep it real. If it doesn't blow your mind, you tell me. I'll send you that $80 back. No catch. But if you're serious about becoming the go-to name in your city, then you belong in there. Click the link in the description, join the Essentials Program, and I'll see you on the inside. Now, let's get back to the cut. And go all the way through the back. Take everything from this panel and bring it towards the side. And then same with this left panel as well. Just like that. Bring the head forward. And now we'll also do the same with the top. Okay, we'll repeat the same exact process, guys, on the other side before we actually start the layer. Stand from the back, how does that look? Beautiful. Okay, first step, we're gonna go back from the middle point. Look at this, guys. I'm gonna take this left side, you're gonna bring everything over. You're gonna come on this right side, do the same exact step. And then what we wanna do, look at this, guys. Okay, your first section, you're gonna take it horizontally, you're gonna bring everything down. And now everything gets placed towards the front, and look how easily now we're going to be able to do our line technique. Okay, so we're going to come from here, slight elevation because I want a softer line, and we're just going to clean it up a little bit. Okay, same thing, guidelines in here. Okay guys, we got maybe a few more sections because as we get towards the line technique, I'm realizing there's less to cut. That means we're coming closer to the end. Okay, we take a vertical section now, guys, just like this. All right guys, so now we're gonna pick this up and we almost have a bit of a guide from the occipital, but the truth is we also don't want to fully connect it. At the end of the day, this plays a different part than the bottom. Okay, so this is going to be a very much a visual choice of length. Beautiful, look at that texture. Still maintaining that weight, still having it look like a mid-length, okay? This is the perfect kind of shape for both worlds, where we still have layers and texture and movement while still having that weight line that we want through the nape because of his hair being quite fine. Okay, we're gonna work with the same exact process now on the left panel. The difference is we're gonna push towards our right to build more shape and weight through the corner. Okay, one last section as well. And working with some over direction again. All right, section one, I'm gonna take a horizontal line, same process, bring everything down. Look how clean that is. Come from the bottom, lift this up. And again, it's gonna be our line technique. We're gonna reduce that weight through the front. Bring it down. And go around into something triangular. Okay, bring everything down. We went slightly round as well because we still want some connection to the side. We follow that process to this left side. Okay, we take a section down the profile. And now we want to make sure we're going square through here. Okay, look at this, guys. Look how this is already sitting. My God, this is beautiful without any product, okay? So last and final step is literally gonna be to clean up some of the sideburns because we're seeing a lot of this wispiness, and maybe refining a little bit more of the nape, but I'm truly, truly loving how this is already looking. Okay guys, so this is my final look on Eric, and as you guys notice, we kept all that weight through the sides, and the reason why is because by going with a line technique rather than a layer, we still maintain the weight. Because his hair is quite fine, it still acts like a layer, and that's all he really needed. He just needed a stronger line technique, which is going to make it a lot easier for him to brush it back. If I went into a layer, guys, it would have been game over. It would have been way too short on the sides, and then you would have ended up having this mullet with no weight, and it just would look really, really bad. His density is quite fine, so you need to figure out what is the density, what is the texture of hair, and make a decision based off that. But yeah, I'm very much happy with it. We maintained the shape, we layered the back. You see all this beautiful texture. If he runs his hands through it, it's just going to look very natural. It's just going to make it very easy for him to manage now, while still maintaining that shape that we wanted. Okay, so this is my final look on a mid-layer textured haircut, and I hope you guys enjoyed it.